Kyle,
Yes.
share to your mom how you use the bike. Come on. Come on. Wow. Come on. Come on, Kyle. Wow. Woo. And you? How you doing, Kenneth?
Good.
Okay, start your engine. Don't be stressed. Come on.
Good. I just don't want it to fall back.
Okay. Come on. Don't be stressed out. Come on. Wow, good. Come on.